Hello and welcome to Mangley Town, and today I have for you a Bachmann branch line class 70 diesel in Freightliner livery. Here's item 31585 and its running number is 70006. So what we'll do is we'll pop this out the packet and we'll take a look. So here we have it, and I do think this Freightliner livery is rather gorgeous. It's also I believe the first and only class 70 I've got, but from the looks of it I wouldn't mind getting some more. It does look a nice loco. It's just nice with the weird shape. Now it did have foam behind these little guardrails to help protect them in the packet, and as ever with Bachmann, there was lots of nice crisp detail. Also a couple of detail packs as well, so there is plenty more bits you can add to it. And obviously this side is much the same as the other. But you still have detail on the top as well. And there's plenty of buffer detail, including the continuation of the steps. So what we'll do is we'll give this a little run back and forth, but I have got some footage from a running session with some of my Freightliner liveried stock, so I'll tag that on the end as well for when I took it all down my local club, so you'll be able to see it in action. So hang on for that. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button as well, because there's plenty to show you as yet in my collection. Let's see if I got that on okay. There we go, straight off, and it is a very nice runner. And we have directional lighting, as in the bottom pair of lights light up red when that's the tail end, and the front top light lights up when that's the running end. So I hope you've liked that. I'm really happy with it. If you'd like, I can show you some of the rolling stock I've got to go with it individually as well. But other than that, I'll leave you with the running session, and thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.
Travel cars. They're usually big enough, but they don't do that. Well, the thing is, they don't know. Although where he's going, but he has to wait enough. I'll drive for a month. Put my